Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have 4x to the power of 3. This one we have number 1, so we have number 4. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Later that, we divide both sides by number 4. So this one we change by u. S to the power of 3 minus 1 ds. We change by this one. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we put number 2 gone here, so 2 plus 1 we have number 3. So number 4 and number 3 we have number 12. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.